Why do we sneeze? A sneeze is our body's way of blowing out particles that can irritate our nose. When we have a cold, our nose gets clogged with a watery substance called mucus. This makes us sneeze. Dust and smells also make us sneeze. We cannot control our sneezes because it is a reflex action. Even tickling our nose with a feather can make us sneeze. It may be due to an allergy. During a sneeze, air blasts out of our nose at more than 100 miles per hour. This can spread germs over a great area.